Good day, guys. This is your tutor engineer. We are continuing with grade 8 algebra, which is paper 1. So let's start with today's lesson. Given the following expression, the first question is, how many terms does the expression have? So let's count the number of terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. So remember, the terms are separated by the minus and the plus signs. So here we'll have 4 terms. Then the second question, what is the value of the constant? The constant is the term that doesn't have the value of x, which in this case is 12. The third question is, what is the coefficient of x cubed? The coefficient of x cubed is the number that multiplies x cubed, in this case is minus 3 over 5. Then the fourth question is, if x is minus 3, what is the value of the expression? So we have to work that one out. We have 4x to the power 5 minus 3 over 5 x cubed plus 7x minus 12. Remember, x is minus 3. We will say to evaluate, you'll have 4. Wherever there is x, you're going to put minus 3. So minus 3 to the power 5 will give us minus 2 for 3. Then minus 3 cubed will give us minus 27. Then 7 times minus 3, minus 21. Then 4 times minus 2 for 3 is minus 972. Then here we'll have plus. Remember, minus times minus will give you a plus. So 3 over 5 times 27 is 81 over 5. Minus 21 and minus 12 is 33. So let's just group these two together. So minus 972 minus 33 will give us minus 1005 plus 81 over 5. So I'll take the denominator of 5. Here we'll have 5025 plus 81. So the answer becomes minus 4944 divided by 5 is the answer. Okay, let's go over to 2.3, solve for x. Okay, the first question, 2.3.1, we're basically going to take 9 to the right hand side. It will be positive, it will be change the sign and become negative. So I'll have x over 3 will be 2 minus 9. 2 minus 9 is minus 7. So from here on, you can multiply by 3 both sides. You will get x is equal to minus 7 times 3 is minus 21. That's x for the first question. The second question, you'll do likewise the same. Take 7 to the right hand side and change the sign. We'll have 3x over 5 is equal to 5 plus 7, which is 12. Then from here on, we'll multiply both sides by 5 over 3. So you'll eventually get x is equal to 4 times 12 divided by 3 is 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20. Okay, let's move over to 2.4. The perimeter of a rectangle is 20 centimeters. The one side of the rectangle is x centimeter, and the other side is 2 centimeters shorter than the first side. Find the lengths of the two sides. So let's try and picture what we have been given. So this is the rectangle. We're told that one side is x and the other side is 2 centimeters shorter. So we'll have x minus 2 centimeters. So since this is a rectangle, the opposing sides of the rectangle are equal. This one will be x, then this one will be equal to the right hand side, which is also x minus 2. The other information is that the perimeter is 20 centimeters. So we'll write P is 20 centimeters. Remember, perimeter is the summation of all the sides of your rectangle. Okay, now let's change the pen color. So the perimeter here, you'll take this side and say x minus 2 plus this side x, then plus x minus 2, and then finally plus x. We're given that it's equal to 20. So x plus x plus x plus x will give us 4x. Then minus 2 and minus 2 will give us minus 4. So all of that will be equal to 20. So we'll take 4 to the right hand side from here. It will change the sign and become positive. Then for x is 24. That means x is equal to 6. So since x is 6, we'll conclude that one side is 6 centimeters, and then the other side, which is x minus 2, will be 6 minus 2 centimeters, which is 4 centimeters. So that will be your two answers. Okay, let's go over to question 2.2. Simplify the following. 2.2.1. Remember, you're not factorizing. That means you have to multiply each and every term that is inside the bracket. So let's write 2.2.1 as it is. So here 2x times 3x squared will give us 6x cubed. Then 2x times minus 4x will give us minus 8x squared. 2x times 7 will give us 14x. Then likewise 3x times 2x squared will give us 6x cubed. 3x times 8x will give us minus 24x squared. 3x times minus 9 is minus 27x. So 6x cubed and 6x cubed would be 0. Minus 8x squared and minus 24x squared will give us minus 32x squared. 14x times 27 and 27x, remember? Okay, here let's fix something. Minus 3x times minus 9 is actually plus 27x. Since you're multiplying a minus and a minus, you get a positive. So here you'll have 14 plus 27, which will be 41x. So your answer, you leave it as 32x squared plus 41x. And then let's go to 2.2.2, which is our final question for today. If you are given a fraction like this, that means you need to divide each and every term by the denominator. So you divide the first term of the numerator by 5x, likewise the middle term and the final term. So 5 times 5 is 5 divided by 5 is 1. Then x to the power 4 divided by x is x cubed, plus 15 divided by 5 is 3. X squared divided by x is x, minus 25 divided by 5 is 5. X divided by x is it's 1. So you can leave the answer as this. So we've come to the end of our today's lesson. If you liked the lesson today, please hit the like button and subscribe, and stay tuned on the next lesson. Cheers.